Here at Probat, we offer a full range of coffee classes at our state-of-the-art lab located just outside Chicago in Lincolnshire, Illinois. Students get to experience all of the latest technology from Probat. Right now, the lab features a Probatino 1 kilo roaster, as well as the new sample roaster and the latest P53. In addition to our SCA roasting course, we offer green coffee courses where students can gain a better understanding of the different varieties of green coffee along with the basics of importing. And of course, there are the SCA sensory classes, which consist of one-day introduction to sensory evaluation, an important skill in our coffee education. These provide students with a solid foundation upon which they can build their lexicon of coffee descriptions. Students will leave the Probat campus with a deep understanding of the coffee process from green to ground.